Hey everyone, it's a bittersweet day today. This is the last video Drew and I are doing together. Drew, say hey to everybody.
Hey everyone.
Drew and I's journey at Baptist Health has ended, and it's a coincidence, but today is both his and my last day at Baptist. We're moving on in our career journeys. Very grateful for the opportunities that we both had here, and you will hear more about where we are going on Monday. So keep an eye out for that. And no, it's not to the same place. So, but we had to do one last video together, and I've made a commitment to Drew that I'm going to continue the videos. So keep an eye out on LinkedIn. I appreciate everybody's following and your feedback and making our industry better. So our last video today is on spare sprinkler heads. ASHE worked really hard, specifically Lennon with Koffel, worked really hard on getting a Joint Commission interpretation revised. And the spare sprinkler head capacity changed. It was Joint Commission interpreted it as originally as having 6 spare heads of each type and temperature. And that's not what code says. It's not what NFPA 25 says. We follow NFPA 25 2011 edition because of NFPA 101 2012 being adopted by CMS. And in that edition of the code, it says that you have to have a minimum of 6 spare heads. And the code says that you should have at least one of every type. So that number increases based on the total quantity of sprinkler heads throughout your building. And we'll put the code references down below of where you could go to find some more information. We'll also put a link to the revised Joint Commission interpretation and when it goes into effect. But this is a big savings because this building, for example, we would have had to have over 130, is that right, Drew?
I think so.
Yeah, over 130 spare sprinkler heads, which just doesn't make sense. So luckily, because of the hard work, the advocacy work that Regulatory Affairs Committee does with ASHE, and specifically on this one, Lennon and all of his work getting interpretations from the NFPA 25 committee and others as well in the industry, we were able to get a better language included in the Joint Commission requirements. And so, I want to highlight right there real quickly how much volunteers do for ASHE and how much the Regulatory Affairs team at ASHE does. So if you ever want to get involved, you can always reach out to me, and I will help facilitate that process as well. So we'll put the links and everything down below. And I can't say until next time, with Drew at least, but until next time, until I do another video, happy learning.